Earthlings. Well, today we're headed out to Marysville. We're going to go flying, I'm not sure yet what, either solo flying on the wheel-powered paramotor. We call it the Powered Paraglider wheel. Not yet on the foot launching. So I may do a solo there, or we might transition over to the heavier powered parachute and some dual instruction and just flying around. More aggressive flying, so I can get a little more comfortable in the air, and with some of the maneuvers we got to do in training. And I also need to transition over to powered parachute since we have one in the shop now, and looking after that and flying that one. And so what I'm probably going to do is delay my electric powered paramotor build while transitioning over to powered parachute. Doing that on a prolonged schedule on there. I got to save up a little more for the parts, the wing and the harness, stuff like that. Plus, it's going to take me a little while to develop the electric paramotor. It's first time aircraft, and it's never good to really be a student pilot and a test pilot at the same time on an aircraft you build. There's quite a few things that can go wrong, in the initial testing phase on the electric paramotor. So I'd like to just, get really comfortable in paramotor flight first. At the same time, where I go to school, you have the solo. You usually have to come with your own gear on paramotors. So powered parachute, they supply their own wheeled paramotors. They have them there, but they're so prone to damages on landing and takeoff and landing by foot launch that it's just not cost effective for the school to supply them. So mine that I'm working on may take a little bit longer, and I'll be switching over to powered parachutes here for a bit. And today we're probably just going to go out and fly the powered parachute. Just fly down, low, have some fun down here in Marysville, and just kind of do some aggressive maneuvers. So we'll see what gets there. And anything else? Oh! I know some of you have been kind of like, oh, Stan, that's crazy. That kind of flying is insane. Even pilots I talk to, jet pilots and helicopter pilots, they're like, oh my God, that's crazy. It's actually not. It's a very safe form of flight. It's just we're steering the cart and the wing at the same time on takeoff and landing, so you're a little more prone to minor accidents, rollovers, things like that on the ground. But up in the air, they're actually very safe and stable. You just got the wind you got to watch for. You always respect the wind, the takeoff and landing direction of the wind, taxiing if you are. And then we have flight. Just don't collapse or stall the chute, and it's okay. But very low, slow, and power lines you got to watch for, things like that. You can't see them; they're invisible, so we're always looking for the poles. But generally, it's kind of nice. It's a more relaxing form of flight that I like airborne motorcycle ride. There are not that many systems to manage. It's not like an aircraft where you're watching things and tending things. We're usually not flying in congested airspace, so it's just it's nice, very peaceful and relaxing. You got the wind in your hair. You get to soak in the scenery a lot, like hang gliding or paraglider flight, and we just mostly buzz around low and slow, 26 miles an hour typically, and sometimes a little faster with the tailwind, but that's about it. And you take off, so mostly you get the takeoff roll going, you get your chute up in the air, you make sure it's good, then you hit the full throttle and go. Aircraft comes up on its own, and you're mostly just steering left or right. Not a whole lot of flight control there, not even any elevator, just the throttle. So throttle forward or throttle up gives you the lift, you climb. And then pulling back on the throttle brings you down, and then pulling the riser left goes left, pulling the riser right goes right. On the powered parachutes, we do that with our feet, so your arms are a little more free and comfortable. Hands don't go numb from blood flow, things like that. And then coming in for a landing, same thing, we're always trying to land into the wind. Crosswinds can tip us over. What we're doing there is just coming in like a regular parachute landing, left, steer right, bring the throttle back, sometimes add a little power if you're coming in too steep, but try to soften the landing, and trying to hit your target. So sometimes you make little S-turns or adjustments of your course to hit your target, and that's about it. So almost the same as flying an aircraft. It's very similar, like flying a small Cessna. It's just you're just steering the car separately from the wing. You're trying to steer them together and coordinate them, which takes a little practice, and you get the hang of it after a while. The chute comes up on its own once you get a little airflow, but it's a very nice form of flight. I really like it. It's fun. For me, it's a little unnerving, and I'm actually scared of it, which is partly why I like it. And it's once you do it enough, you get a little more comfortable with it. So I'm past my most scary stage of the first solo, where I wasn't really sure because I'd never flown one before by myself. I'd only been riding around Dual, not really a whole lot of flying, and kiting from the ground in zero wind conditions and the hot summer days out here, so it's very hard to get the wing up and keep it up or even get a good feel for it. And then my instructor's like, okay, you're ready to go solo. Commands over the radio. And that was a little spooky to me at first because I know what to expect on takeoff and landing, and didn't know if I'd be able to do all that, but you just go do it, and that's about it. But as far as I know, some people, hang on a second, I gotta turn up here.